Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in my last video, you would have seen that I made a jig to flatten this large slab. Since I've made that video, I have finished planing this down and I've belt sanded the back side of it. That's the side that you see. And I also added a C-channel in both ends to help keep it flat from any cupping and twisting in the future. So now my next step is I want to apply a finish to the back side of this. And this is kind of part of my plan in the hopes of not having to flip this over again. So I'm just going to do all the work that I need to the back side of this, and then I'm going to give it a finish. So in this video, you guys are going to see how I'm going to convert my shop into a spray booth. I bought a roll of plastic and I got some tarps. So let's see how this goes. So the first thing that I need to do is to get this slab picked up, and then I have to disassemble my flattening jig here and give the floor a sweep. All right, I think I have a plan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay down a tarp on the floor here, and then I'm going to take some plastic. It's like a really thin poly type material, and I'm going to drape it from this light, and I'm also going to use the light to shine light. Obviously, that's what lights do. So I'm going to drape it across this light to this ladder, and then I'm going to bring it all the way to this ladder, and then over to this light. And that's going to give me an area that's hopefully going to catch all my overspray. We'll see how it goes. All right, so there we have it. It's actually going to work quite well, I think. So now let's get some sawhorses in here, and then we'll drop the slab on top, and then we'll give the slab its first coat of varathane. So this is what I chose to use for the top. It's designed for floors, but I thought, you know what, if it's good for floors, it's going to be even better for tabletops. It is a varathane diamond wood finish, and it's water-based, and it's in a satin finish. I like satin because it just gives it a nice little sheen to it, and it's not too shiny. All right, we're just going to open this up, give it a stir, and pour it into our spray gun, and we're going to start spraying. It's important to give this a really good stir. Like, I would suggest stir it for about 5 minutes. We'll speed up the camera for this. All right, now we got the finish into our gun. Let's turn on the lights and we'll start spraying. Once you're all done, dump the remaining varathane back in the can. Let it all run out. This is expensive stuff. Put the lid on, make sure it's nice and secure. Pop the lid back on your gun. And what I do, because I'm going to be giving this another spray in about 3 hours from now, and instead of going through the hassle of cleaning up the gun and all that stuff, what I like to do is I'll just take a kitchen garbage bag. What I like to do is just stick the gun in the kitchen garbage bag. Make sure you get all the air out. And just kind of give it a few twists. And tuck it underneath. Make sure it doesn't poke holes in, because then you're defeating the purpose. Yeah, and then it'll be okay to go for the next time you need to spray. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. It's gonna do the trick just fine. Got the first coat down. Gonna do 4 more. So that is it for this video, guys. I'd like to thank you for watching. And if you're new to my channel, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss when I upload a new video. And like always, we'll see you in the next one.